Hello everyone! Advertising on LinkedIn, as on any other social media, can be essential for your business. Interesting themes, photos, captions can really help in organic reach. But from time to time, paid advertising can boost the awareness, increase conversions, and get you leads. For the organic promotion, you can join groups, post there, post blogs, write articles, and invite people to like your work. Use this network for marketing, to present what you're good at and to present your business. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. First step is to keep your page live by regularly posting, optimizing your posts and page for search by using keywords, links, and sharing. Grow the number of your followers as mentioned in our video tutorial, How to Use LinkedIn Profile. Publish engaging content. Highlight your content, read and follow the analytics. Now it is time to show you how you can create an ad campaign. Go to your page. Click on Work, Advertise. If you don't have an account, you have to create one. Click on Create Account. Add account's name, currency, and link to your business. If you have more than one account, choose the one from which you would like to create a campaign. Create Campaign. Click on that button. You can use a default group, some existing group, or create a new one. Give your campaign a name. Be precise when creating one, because if you run multiple campaigns and ads, accurate names can help you run through ads and campaigns much easier. Objective selection. Select the goal for your campaign. Objective that will be in focus for your campaign. Let me explain the objectives. Brand awareness. Create an awareness of your brand by spreading a good word in its favor. Creating brand awareness can help you be recognizable, increase your business opportunities and budget. Website visits. Use it if you want the audience to visit your website. Common for the shops, websites that have plenty of articles, exclusive news, or job offers. Engagement. If you want more people to like, share, comment, view, or click on your ads or follow your company, choose this goal so they can engage more in your posts. Video views. If you have a commercial you want to present, this can be the right choice. For example, you're selling cars or presenting marketing services through a short tutorial. This is the right goal. Lead generation. You need leads that will help you in brand communication, conversions, and budget growth at the end. Choose this goal for the leads you want to address to again and again until the goal is reached. Website conversions. If you have an online shop, the right move is to choose this goal so you can sell the goods or services that are on your website. Job applications. Need more employees? Create an ad application that will help you find people you need. What are the steps in creating the ad? Name. You can change the campaign name at any time you want. Audience. You can create an audience or choose the existing one. LinkedIn gives you the opportunity to choose the audience according to their education or business orientation. Location. Choose the location of your audience. For example, if you're from China and want to advertise in the USA, your target audience will be from the USA. You can also exclude people from some locations. For example, you're well known in some country and you do not need to advertise there, but you need the rest of the content to be involved. So, exclude that location. Language. There are not many languages offered, so you'll have to choose among the drop-down list. Narrow exclude. If you want to narrow or exclude your audience, you can do it on several points. List. Upload a list from your computer. It can list at least 1,000 companies. List has to require a company name, website, email domain, LinkedIn URL, city, state, industry, and so on. List can be a contact list as well that has at least 10,000 named contacts with email addresses, mobile devices, or something similar. Or it can be a general guideline such as importing a CSV file that includes only one account or contact per row. Lookalike audience. Your target people that are similar to your core targeted audience. If you have one created audience, you can click on Other and build your audience by searching for attributes or professionals you want to reach. Retargeting helps you get back to the audience you have already targeted. Third party. It's a tracking that allows you to measure advertising performance by adding your tag to your LinkedIn ads and their activities. You can choose between a third-party company and third-party contact. You can exclude some of the attributed, but be careful that you do not exclude someone by its gender, age, or race. Audience attributes. You can choose who to target or exclude by its company, demographics, education, job experience, and interests. Now, before you do that, think about who you want and don't want to address. Now, go through the list from segment to segment and choose. For example, you want your ad to be shown only to people who follow your page, or only to people from health companies, or only to someone who's in a specific company. Learn more about Match's audience. Part where LinkedIn helps you understand is there a similar audience that corresponds with your needs and primary audience. Ad format. There are several ad formats that you can use for your ad. Choose the one that is corresponding to your ad. For example, you want to present multiple products or services, you can use carousel image ads. Or you have an animated ad, use video ad format. The good thing is that you can place only textual ads, spotlight ads, follower, and conversation ones. Not each campaign goal has the same ad format. For example, in engagement, you have single image, carousel, video ad, follower ad, and conversation one. For video views, you can only choose a video ad. What do you want to achieve? Think about it before you choose the type of ad formats. Budget and schedule. Set daily, lifetime, or a combination of those two budgets. At any time on the right-hand side, you can see how targeted audience increases or decreases while changing the budget. Choose a start date. Also, it is good to have an end date as well. It can happen that you have lots of campaigns running, and if you don't set an end date, you forget to turn it off. Bidding. It determines how you spend your budget to get results or how you be billed. Conversion tracking. You can add conversions by creating one. Choose a type of action that you want from your audience. For example, purchase. Now try to estimate how much that conversion is worth. After someone clicks or views your ad, you can set a window of time after someone makes a click. Conversion campaigns will help you increase sales, for example. Your objective and ad format cannot be changed once you save it. Once you click Next, LinkedIn will return you to the campaign if you didn't set up everything right. If everything is set up, your ad is ready to act. You can always save it in a drafts, and it will help you work on that ad again. If you want to delete a campaign, click the correct account and campaign group name. Click on 3 dots, Manage, Action, in the top right, select Delete Campaign. On the main advertising LinkedIn page, there are some options such as campaign performances, website demographics, account assets. All the mentioned helps you create a good campaign and follow the performances, as well as creating a tag, for example. It's a code that you can embed in your website. It helps you optimize your campaigns, retarget your website visitors, and learn more about your audiences. Interesting part is the block list or conversions. All the mention helps you pull up the best out of your business, product, or service. You can install a tag by yourself by copying the link and placing it into your website as a code, or you can ask your developer to do that. Add ads to your campaign. While creating a campaign, after clicking on Save and Exit, LinkedIn offers you to add more ads to your campaign. For example, you have 5 brands under one company name, and you decided that you'll advertise some of them at the same time. You can create several ads under one campaign name, like Christmas campaign for brand XY. Adding a headline, website link, call to action button, if it's used properly, will increase awareness, impression, or visits. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.